Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. In today's video, we shall be solving this question. 100 divided by 20 bracket 3 plus 2. Using Pemdas, P-E-M-D-A-S, P for parentheses, E for exponent, M multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Using Pemdas, we shall be starting from parentheses, that is, the numbers in the brackets. Now let's add them together. 3 plus 2 will give us what? 5. Next is the multiplication, that is 20 multiplied by 5, which will give us what? 100. The next is the division. 100 divided by 100 will give us what? 1. Now let's solve it the right way. Here is our question. 100 divided by 20 bracket 3 plus 2. The right way of solving this question is starting from the left to the right after we've added the numbers in the bracket. Now let's start with the numbers in the bracket. 3 plus 2 will give us what? 5. Next is starting from the left to the right. 100 divided by 20 will give us what? 5. Now 5 multiplied by 5 will give us what? 25. This is our right answer. Thank you for watching.